Hi, my name is Vicki. Welcome to my channel, also known as the Beauty Maven. And this is my unboxing, my BoxyCharm. This is the base box. Let me hold it up here so you guys can see it. And this is November 2020. I recorded it earlier, but I had some difficulties, so we're going to try it again. Now again, I have the base box. BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. The base box is $25 a month, and then there's the premium box, which I believe is $35 per month, and you receive 6 to 7 full-size products in the premium, and in the base box you receive 5 full-size products. There's also the opportunity to upgrade to the Luxe box, which is quarterly. I believe you receive it in March, March, June, September, and December is when you receive it. But all the information is on the BoxyCharm website if you'd like more information regarding that. Now let's see here. I have this box here is variation number 14, and it has the little harvest card, BoxyCharm Harvest. In my box I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so let's get into this. The first item, and like I said again, some of these, you'll see that they're open because this is my second recording. So the first item that we're going to talk about, this is Volition. It is, let me show you the pretty box that it came in. It's a serum. I don't know if you can see that really good. Okay. And this is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So full size is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce, full size product. I've been using it for about 4 days now, and I like it. It's nice because it doesn't leave your skin very sticky like some serums. So I think you'll enjoy it. And let's see what the MSRP is on this. Okay, it says it's $62. So ultra hydrating serum. And it's designed to minimize the look of pores and leave your skin looking healthier, more vitality. So that's Volition, and that's the serum. The next item that we're going to talk about, now this is a Milk makeup product. This is a pretty package here, Milk makeup. It's a mascara, and it's called, let's see here, Kush Waterproof Mascara. It's waterproof. It's supposed to be thickening, heart-shaped fibers, and it has cannabis seed oil in it. It's in a really pretty package. It's really sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. It's really cute. And I've used this also. Now I wear contact lenses, and it hasn't flaked off or anything like that. And if you wear lenses, you know how important it is not to have a flaky mascara. It's just the worst. So I'm pretty happy with this product so far. Like I said, it's been about 4 days that I've been using it, and so far so good. Again, and the retail price on this fella is $24. Okay, and let's see the next item. Now this is a eyeshadow palette. Let me hold it up so you can see the pretty packaging. This is Beauty Bakery, and it's called Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Oh, that might be too close, but that's what we have here. It has 9 shades, and you have everything where you can do kind of like neutrals too, where if you're going out. Now, one thing I've noticed, I haven't actually used them, but just by doing my little rub test, they're very creamy. So I would imagine they're gonna be really nice. What I might do is dampen my applicator to get more color payoff, but I still think you can get a lot of use out of this palette. I said a lot of colors here. And again, that's Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette 9, which is really nice. And let's check out the retail. The retail on this little guy is $38 for this palette. Not too shabby. Now, the next item, this is a lip oil, It's by a company, INT. It's like kind of cherry, but I noticed it didn't really have a flavor to it. Just kind of color tinted, but not a flavor. And it's $11. And it's, let's see, well, it's just a flush of color, but I really didn't notice much. It's a lip oil that can easily be applied on the go and on top of lipstick for an added sheen. I actually have it on right now. Not a lot, but just a wee bit. And it's nice. I enjoyed it. Let me hold it up for you guys again. Lip oil by INT. And again, that's $11. And my last item is by a company called, let's see, Bodyology, and it's an eye pencil duo, and you receive 2. And let's see what we have in here. What are our shades? I think it's a black walnut and let's see here, an onyx. I had trouble with these guys before getting them out of the box, and here we go, round 2, same deal. Okay, here we are. Black walnut, this is the pencil. And let me just do this so you guys can see. That's black walnut. And then let me do the onyx. This is a very rich black color. Let me bring it up a little higher. That's horrible. Jeez. So, again, that's Bodyology, after I mutilated the box. And the eye pencil duo is $16. Now, when I ordered my kit, there was a promotion going, and this is the Queen. It's a lovely eyeshadow palette, and let me show you guys this. This is really gorgeous. I have a little bit on my upper brow, not a lot, just a wee bit. And you can see I've already dug into it, but look at these colors. Amazing, right? I know. These are really, really pretty. Some of my favorite colors, jewel tone colors. And this is the Queen. This is Eloise Cosmetics, or let me see exactly. Well, like I said, it was like a little gift, a promotion that BoxyCharm was running. It's not officially part of the November collection, but like I said, I signed up when they had that. So that is my box. That's November BoxyCharm 2020. If there's any of the products that you guys would like to see me review later on to let you know how they lasted, or you know, you just want to see more about them, please comment below and I'll be happy to make a video regarding those items. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please share and subscribe, and thank you so much. And next month, oh, by the way, hopefully, I signed up for BoxyLuxe. Hopefully they pick me off the list. If they do, I'll be back with BoxyLuxe for December. If not, then I'll just be back with, you know, the base box to review that and share that with you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and happy Thanksgiving. Take care.